tightly to that overhook on Uriah's right arm. And he's trying to push him off, get to his feet, and he does not. Good job by Uriah, stayed right on him.
Big power in the ground and pound. Such a tireless worker.
Uriah's having a hard time doing damage, though, from inside the guard, Mike. I would like to see him try to pass here. I think, though, he's trying to play it a bit safe. He doesn't want to lose the position and let Eddie stand back up in the transition. But I would like to see him, as he's stacking him up, I'd like to see him reach back and try to break open that guard and get out of there.
In with those sharp elbows.
Both sides. I mean, they're landing, but it's not the most powerful strikes. He's doing a little bit of damage, but I would really like to see him get to a position.
Man is kidding. Oh, I'm such a meanie. I'll leave you alone now.